weather coverage. Olga Breeze and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Rain is on the way and we really need it. By the time we get to midday tomorrow, some of us will already see at least the first few raindrops moving through. You're looking at our Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. All the actions off to our west so far, and our temperatures ahead of this system very mild. Check out those 70s out in Kansas City and Little Rock. We're at 63 here in Huntsville, and most of our region hovering right around those lower range 60s, the exception being Colvin at 68. For the most part, though, it's going to be a mild night tonight. The dew points are low so far. The air is still dry, but things are going to be changing as we head through overnight. These dew points will rise a little bit and the cloud cover will begin to fill in. So at Muscle Shoals, we have clear skies, 61 degrees, and a fairly light wind out of the south and the southeast. We're a far cry from where we were yesterday. Our temperatures tonight are some 10 to 20 degrees warmer than what we saw just 24 hours ago. Our high today was reasonable, right around average at 80 degrees, although we did have a very chilly start with 43 degrees as our overnight low. No rain today, no rain for the month so far, but that is going to change tomorrow. The clouds will increase overnight tonight. We'll see some strong afternoon storms begin to develop, but depending upon your location, you might not see any rain until later in the evening tomorrow. A slanted line of storms will move on through. Once it passes, we're going to have a pretty dry end of the week. However, we will see some cooler air settle in when we get to next week's forecast. So overnight, what you need to know is that it will be mild and the cloud cover will be overhead when you wake up in the morning. We'll have plenty of a mixture of sun and clouds until about 2 o'clock. That's when I think the first rain opportunities will start to happen. The bulk of this rain will come right around dinner time and later tomorrow. So I would say 6 p.m. till midnight, we should see some pretty heavy and steady downpours. Already forecast models are picking up on the ramping up of those rain chances after about noontime tomorrow, and we really need the rain. We've been in a drought situation or close to a deficit at least for some rain over the last couple of weeks. Still, we're looking pretty good when it comes to checking out that fall foliage. Now, the rainy day is not the best day to do that, but beyond that, we are approaching the peak foliage, which will be November 1st, when most of our state will be primed for looking at those beautiful, colorful leaves. Then as we get toward the end of November, things will start to drop off and leaves will start to fall and we'll head solidly into winter. But for tomorrow, we have a very slight opportunity for severe weather risk. The scale is 1 to 5. We're at a 1 for tomorrow, which is a marginal risk. And the forecast models are bringing only a little bit of rain in during the day tomorrow. It's the afternoon and the evening that you really need to be weather aware. As we head on into the overnight, the bulk of the rain pushes out. We start off with some clouds on Thursday morning, but Thursday will be sunny in the afternoon and warm. Rain totals averaging about ½ an inch to a ¼ inch. For the most part, though, settling down behind that front. Highs in the middle 70s, feeling fall-like and comfortable. We'll warm up on Saturday, but by Saturday night and into Sunday, we could see some rain in part of our weekend forecast.